does freedom means to you?
Freedom means moral freedom.
Express myself freely without any sort of judgment.
Feeling free.
To me is a state of mind.
For me, freedom is to live safely.
Freedom is not just a word in our constitution. 78 years have been passed, but for each heart it carries a different meaning, a different emotion altogether. So let's hear from the crowd of India what does freedom means to them.
Able to do whatever you want, but without hindering anybody's life.
And we get basic amenities, basic rights, and freedom of speech. That is what freedom means for me.
To me, it would be telling the truth without any fear.
For me, freedom is to be self-dependent, not rely on my parents, not rely on any secondary person.
Ability to make choices without undue external extremities or circumstances.
So that's how different freedom means to everyone. For more such interactive videos, stay tuned and a happy Independence Day to all the Indians.